Talk about how can you create your account on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. When you select or choose your language, it's going to show for you like this here. So it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you click here on this sign. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you automatically to this list. You click here on sign up here. So then here can you choose if you want to use phone number or connect with your Facebook or connect with your Google email here. So I'm going to connect with my email. So I'm just click here. So then you just switch in here to open with you to show for you a list of your emails. So I'm going to add. When I add my email, automatically here you just switch in to open with you here. So it's going to take a time. That like you see now here, it's going to open with us. And here can you select your birthday. I'm going to add my birthday here. And you click here on continue here. So when you click on continue here, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. That like you see here, your account is already now like you see here. So this is my name on my app. So that's mean here you create your app. So then here can you found your app here in the can you watch videos here. So it's going to take a time to show for me these videos, but automatically when you open your app, it's going to show for your videos in this list here. So that like you see here, this my app, so my profile. So when you click in this sign here, can you find all things about your app here. Then we will talk about this here, can you use your Clapper app on another video. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are great. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.